I'm checking here. Kunabantu abangifunayo. Ngiyafunwa. Because the muntu lo ubhale. Yo guys, bafezi ithini ngani bafezi? Kushipan. But yeah, siyafa indlala. Siyafa. Every day night. Niggas. Yabo wankapa. Kahlahla ungigajile la bafezi straight up. I'm not gonna lie. And if you check with me, too, I respect, bro. I respect. Say, awe chopongo nomkhulu song sogodu mathamnandi anje ngoshukela ish. And I'm back. Njengomhlane and I'm back with another video, you know what's up. Yeah, guys. So namhlanje I'm actually reading your anonymous messages. Right, yeah. Today I'm gonna be reading your anonymous messages. Yeah, abantu ababhalila basically abantu abangazi cause ngangiposte kulokhuzana on WhatsApp. So abantu engizobe ngibaphendula la, it's actually abantu abangaziyo. And we're gonna see but seeing me what questions are they asking about me. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be answering my questions abangibuze wona. Whatever question ending ngizokwenza sure ukuthi ngiyanswer. I'll make sure ukuthi ngiyanswer. Yeah, ngeqiniso futhi. I'm gonna be real. No cap in my raps, you know, so yeah. Oh yeah guys, before I start, please subscribe guys, please subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K subscribers guys. Just click the button there, it's written subscribe. Please guys, it doesn't cost you anything, just click there guys. Okay, back to the story. Yeah, I have my laptop right here. Lapho corner. I'm a message abantu. Yeah, so I just viewed this one right here. Yeah, I'm telling the truth. So first question is it's not a question, it's actually a statement. I miss our conversation. Let's catch up soon. I miss our conversation. Let's catch up soon. Yeah, no problem. I wonder who that is. I won't lie. It's because I chat to a lot of people, you know. And if you chat with me, too, I respect. I respond back to you. Guys. Yeah. Mina ngizibana ngisimuntu kanjalo so it's probably someone I know, someone I'm close to, or someone I was close to, you know. Yeah, but text me and tell me what's the way, you know. And then, or even no face, just start a conversation with me face, cause yeah, mina ngikhuluma nokhuluma nami onzibayo face. Once wangiziba mina face I'm gonna do the same to you, face. Yeah. So yeah, the next one. The next message is let's get together soon, please. Alright. I feel like I'm not saying better maning la, cause umchita ngeke ayisho lento le, right? Yeah. So it's again lesho lento lena. Sorry guys, ngilambile face. I just came back from school, you know. Yeah, so I'm late. I was like, let me just do the video, you know what's up.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't.
So yeah, it's fine. Singahlangana. This is probably someone esingazihlangana naye sakhuluma on social media. asazi sihlangane na angazi kanjani. So I'll make a plan, just holler at me, sikhulume, you know. So yeah, okay, next message ke eating it's getting weird, guys. Ngayitshela ukuthi njalo ngiyalokhuzana la, ngayitshela ukuthi ngiyazenzela. You check the message over there. It says, who is your ex? Who's my ex? Who's my ex? You know ex mean? Ex-mate. Oh, fuck buddy. Nah, I'm joking, man. Yeah, I do have an ex. You know, my ex, if it's I won't lie, maningi ves, but then angwathathe is ama ex la amanye ves, umuntu oyedwa sasengasa face and isasanda kuphela nje ves into yami naye yabo. So mhlawumbe iphele we just yabo wangikapha kahlahla ungigajiwe la face straight up. I'm not gonna lie, a month ago face, yeah, she found out some stuff exam face. Who is your ex? So kumele ngisho igama. My ex. My ex. You really wanna know my ex? Yeah, we dated for 4 years. Yeah, my ex is ex I'm fit to live one off. Yeah, we dated for 4 years, but now yeah, it's fine. I'm hoping someday, yabo, so Wednesday of it, cause man, I messed up. I won't lie, guys. You feel me? Okay, it's all about thing. Adlule. Next message, face. Showcase our face. La uthi mfethu show mfethu. Show boy, uthi show boy. Away boy much. Awafethu ngasibancane nje ukubhala. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Ngavela uthi show boy. Ubalo, ufana nomani lento le. Manelisi, fana no Chembu, fana nokuba nomsumi boy yafana nayo futhi lento le. Noma nosipheleni. I'm not sure yet, but yini mafethu ngiyanqena nokubhala. Just write something for the boy, you okay. Next message. Say umchita funalo uthi exe. Bafethu, what's going on, Bafethu? What's going on? Write something for the boy. Write something. Oh, exe awethe bonga omkhulu sonke sokugoda uma semnana njengeshukela. Yes, boy. Yeah, sadlula poison. Yeah, thanks for writing something though, boy. A nigga appreciate that. So next message. Next message, guys. I'm but it's fine. I'm found the Chinese on the screen. So next message, it's alright, guys. Next message, it's why doesn't my crush like me back? Why doesn't my crush like me back? Ukhuluma ngubani? Are you talking about me noma ukhuluma ngomunye umuntu? I don't know. Now ubanga specific ves. Ubanga specific. And angeke ngazi ukuthi ubalo ves. As long as ngazi, I think I'm on the safe side. Handeke mosi. Ufuna ungitshela. Imiselenga ungitshela mama. Just talk to me, ves. Talk to me, ves. Angisabisi nani ngibona ves ukuthi I'm a bubbly person. Yeah. I'm not one of those what they call them nonchalant niggas. Yeah, shit, man. I'm not nonchalant. Fuck that shit, man. Yeah, but yeah. Maybe I do like you back, Face. You don't know. Maybe I don't like you back, but I mean, I believe it was shit your shot, man. I'm joking. I'm joking, man. Holla at me. Text me, maybe I do like you, maybe I don't like you. We don't know. So next message, right? Next message. Do you like anyone right now? Do I like Silamas Mafis? Slambile. It's bad, guys. I'm gonna show you into a wood. But yeah, man, that's why she's okay. Do you like anyone right now? Do I like anyone right now? Yeah. I'm very friendly. But if usho go my relationship stuff, yeah, I do. Khona umuntu engikhuluma naye at the moment. Ngani uma kuzosebenza but you feel me? I'm still recovering, my friend. But yeah, there is. I think it might be her along with Alentole. I'm not sure. It might be her, it might be not her. But you feel me? Yeah. So, ashilule. Right here, boy. You check. Lo Utim, are you singing right now? Are you singing? Cause I really like you. And that emoji. Guys, sishimile kanti bakhona abantu abasifunayo. Guys, khulumani bafethu. What's going on? Siyafa indala. Siyafa. Every day night. Niggas. Khulumani okay bafethu. I wonder why bafethu sinani ngakhulumi sina kodwa masikhuluma sinifuna sanitshela. Gushipan. But yeah, mama, talk to the boy, mama. I'm singing right now. Right now I'm singing, and yeah, the boy is hungry. The boy is hungry. I won't lie. The boy is. I'm joking. I don't do that thing no more, guys. Come on.
Cap.
I won't lie, face. Onamanga kakhulu uthi akaze ishaya noma akayishaya. Awushayi. Okay. Are you singing? Because I really like you. Yeah. I'm singing, mama. I'm singing. Just text the boy. The boy is lonely, man. The boy is lonely. I need someone to cuddle with. Yes, let's check the next message. Next message is asking me if I'm singing. Yeah, I am single, guys. I am single. Guys, text me. Say, no more shoes and thunder. Keep me, keep me busy, face. I'm lonely, but face. Oh, mom. My face. Yeah, what's in Tabisanjan? It's fine. Yes, I'm lonely. Yes, I'm single, y'all. And I'm lonely too. Okay. Next. Utsing, are you in a relationship? If not, can we try something maybe? Are you in a relationship? If not, can we try something maybe? Guys, kanti why ningangitsheli bafethu? Asikhulumeni ke manje ke. Into serious ke. Cause manje ngisingi I am starving. I am in the stomach and down there. What? Now I'm checking here. Kunabantu abangifunayo. Ngiyafunwa. Wait. Ngiyafunwa. Ngiyafunwa.
Nice.
But yeah. I'm not in a relationship right now, guys. I'm not in a relationship right now. If not, can we try something maybe? If not, if no, can we try something maybe? Baby girl, holla at the boy, holla. Say, Sianda, say, Ngwane, I'm the girl who wrote the message for you. And I'll attend you, mama. I'll attend you very quickly. I'll attend you very quickly, mama. I'm telling you right now, I'm ready. Njengoba nibhalile la, ngifuna ukuthi niphinde ningibhalele on WhatsApp telling me ukuthi that's you. Manje ngangibhalele back. Ha bafana. Lokho awasana noma WhatsApp cause now ngilambile. And nikhona nina nithule lapho. And niyazi ukuthi what's going on. Ngiyangicasula.
Take it easy, dog.
Alright. Next message ke. Uthi lona, you look like you are a lover boy. Are you? I look like a lover boy. Am I a lover boy? Am I a lover boy? Yes, I am, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Do I look like a player? I look like a player, guys. Look at this innocent face. Guys. Yes, I am a lover boy. Yeah, if you are looking for a lover boy, also single right here, boy. Yeah. Who is your girl? I don't have a girl right now, guys. Actually searching for one. I'm searching for one. Yeah, I'm actually single, guys. Why are you asking me if you wanna help me with something? Yeah, I'm single. Okay, next message. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Be realistic. Where do I see myself in 5 years? Be realistic. Yeah, this looks like my nigga over there. Nsizwa, Mbuso, who else? Maybe Namanya Matsegeni. Yeah, I chat to some very matured girls. Yeah. So Lomonto Palela is basically matured, maturity. Yeah. So in 5 years I see myself something like Ghost Lobby, something like Sonoabile, something like Lasizwe. Not yeah, but subscribe wise, yeah, something like Lasizwe, something like Bruce, something like Brandon, something like McG, something like that. Yeah, I see myself there. Something like Clady. Who knows? Domingos. You know, there's a lot of niggas out there, man, you know. I wanna see myself with 100k subscribers. In fact, no, let's say 500k subscribers. I'm being realistic. Yeah, I see myself with the car, I see myself, new house, you know, fine baby on my side, you know, yeah, that's where I see myself in 5 years, making imali bafes, maybe making like 30k a month, you know, yeah, it's fine, 30k is reasonable, guys, you feel me, yeah. Okay, next message, it's how do I stay motivated and consistent in creating a content? And he says, boy, in creating a content, boy. Check the. Yeah, boy. Kona bantu fesu yeah, mina face, I won't lie to you, face. It's all about Lokuzan. It's all about face. We hope, face. I have hope in myself. I believe in myself. You know, no matter guys, face. Kona bantu face, yo face. If it's, I'm pushing, guys. I'm pushing. I'm trying my best here. Yeah, to those who support me, ngiyabonga face very much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Yeah, got the face. Kona bantu face. Who trying to put me down out there, boy? I don't lie. Got that. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Sakal. It's just the start. Sounds like a face. Yeah, but me and face. Come on, yabonye face. Ignore abantu abanomqondo obhedaya abangitshela izinto ezibhedayo and focus on my shit, you know. Yeah. Hamba nabahambayo, face. If you're not willing to help me, it's fine, face. Someday now you're gonna need help from me, yabo. Yeah, but yeah, ngiyazama nami face. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? Uthi lona uthi. Ye wena uyasifosela iyeke lento oyenzayo uyofuna umsebenzi finish. Ye wena uyasifosela iyeke lento oyenzayo uyofuna umsebenzi. Should I even entertain this kind of you? And I just realized ukuthi lo muntu ukwi-status sami sa WhatsApp. Ngiwhatsappa naye, guys, cause lo muntu lo ubhale yo guys, bafezi ithini ngani bafezi. And lento le ibuke ngathi ibhalo umjida. Mina mfethu I'm friendly to everybody, fezi. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Why, fezi? Why hate on me, fezi? Ungabe nawe wenza okwakho, fezi. Zama okwakho, zama indlela nawe, fezi. Bafezi. It's fine, but I'm not even gonna entertain this shit, but face, whoever wrote this is fine, face. Ngisho kuthiwa face, this person angazi face noma ngiyasebenza mina mfethu okokuqala. I am working, ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngisebenza. I am schooling part time. So lo muntu mfethu angazi face ukuthi what's going on. Mhlawumbe umuntu ongangazi kahle what's. Hi face. Okay, next message. Deva is the best. Deva, yeah, I think like our first lava family and friends. Yeah. Niggas are doing that, but yeah, niggas, yeah. I won't lie, niggas blind, see. Okay, next message. What do you love about yourself? What do I love about myself? I like the fact that ngiyaqoqozela ngiwumuntu yabo, I'm friendly, I'm talkative to umuntu alright nakumina. I'm a friendly person, Jeffers. What I like the most about myself, I like izindlebe zami. Check these ones. Life nje ayikho into engilokhuzana, but khona lapha engathi ngashintsha khona and upgrade myself yabo, kodwa nje yeah, ngiyithanda nginjena. I can work on my like inkulumo zami ngikhuluma nabantu. Sometimes I'm being disrespectful to abanye abantu, but yeah, and I go back because I go back and apologize to them, yabo. All this more wrong with my police. So yeah. I love the fact ukuthi ngiyibona into wrong. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna close it there for the day. Man, kulaba engabafundanga malokhuzane yabo man, ngilambile bafethu. Kulaba engafundanga, maybe next time, you know, but thank y'all for actually writing me something. It really means a lot to me, guys. Ngilambile. The boy's hungry, see. The boy is hungry, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Yeah, more videos are coming from Ungwani Omkhulu, song so good. I'm signing out right now. Please like, please subscribe. Please subscribe. We're going to 1,000 subscribers, you know. It's gonna be hard, but we're gonna make it. Shit!